Hi class, welcome to History 101. I want to be your teacher, Mr. Hogawa right here. Alright, and so this video is kind of just an introduction to the homepage and to my website basically that I set up for you guys. It's got a lot of tools and tips and tricks for you guys if you want to be super successful in this class. So right here is just the first homepage, just a little background about the time periods I'm going to be focusing on, a little introduction to the course. And my boy Winston Churchill right here. The second page right here is just this about me page. It's got some pictures about me, a little bio about me, things I like to do, and where I went to school. And this part right here is a contact me page. So if you have any questions or comments, you want to talk to me about anything, just shoot me an email and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can for those. So this page right here is the blended learning page. So it's just a little description about a learning style that I'm going to be using inside a class. So basically it just combines online teaching, online activities, and incorporates them with in-class activities. And so it'll be a good way to learn. If you guys want to read up on that, you're more than welcome to get a little ahead of the game. This right here is the unit plan page. And so right here is a little link right here. I already downloaded it, but you guys just have to download a little Microsoft file right here. And what it is just kind of like an overview / outline of what's to be expected for a lot of the lessons. So, just got, plans, activities, reflections, and just expectations that you can expect to see from the class and that I expect from you guys as well. The next page right here is classroom rules and expectations. Those are just some basic rules that I expect everybody to follow in order to get along and have a productive working environment in class and online as well. And so this one is more centered to the online stuff. Like I said, we're going to be going over a lot of, we're going to be using a lot of online technology, computers, and things like that. And so, with that comes responsibilities, and I want to make sure we're using the internet responsibly and safely. So just make sure we look up on that. And this last page right here is the resource page. So this is more for you guys. Right here I just got some helpful links that I like to use for my research. And so if you guys want to use them for essays or assignments, look up stuff, you're more than welcome to. And here are some teacher tools that I'm going to be using and some of the reasons why I use them. And so if you guys want to look up that as well. It's just got some good description if you guys want to take a look at that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm really excited to working with you guys. I hope you guys use the website. It's got a lot of good tools. And see you in class.